Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Torpedo, or this is actually a Bluebird from Germany. It has a custom paint job by Hot Rod Typewriter. I'll put a link in my description. I've seen a lot of their work on pictures, but I've never seen a machine in person. And this is one of the highest quality paint jobs I've ever seen. It's not powder coating, but it's as good as a powder coat. And the detail here is just fantastic. I mean, the colors on this are great. It's just smooth and feels great. And the detail, attention to detail is as good as it gets. If you open and look at some of the spots close here, like right here, you know, these are just, you don't get any better than that. And excellent machine. I know sometimes people don't like custom paint jobs on vintage classic machines, but this one is only going to increase its value. It's just a great typewriter, and now it's even better that it's got this superior paint job by Hot Rod Typewriter Company. And I just wanted to highlight that on my channel because it's such a beautiful machine, and paint job is as good as they get. Good day.